Hello, dear student and sir. My name is Vagela Aksharaj, and today's my topic is die casting. The casting process is subdivided into two distinct subprograms. First is expandable mold casting, and second is non-expandable mold casting. The classification of die casting is A. Gravity die casting and B. Pressure die casting. There is some four pictures or of die casting processes. First picture is pressure die casting, second picture is pressure die casting techniques, and third picture is die cast part of automobile, and fourth picture is die casting fence fittings. There are two basic type of die casting machines. First is hot chamber machine and second is cold chamber machine. There is a picture of hot die casting machine and there is a second picture of cold die casting machine. The table, this is the table for capabilities of major casting processes. There is a time temperature curve, time temperature diagram for cooling curve for casting process. There is a structure for casting process. The intermittent cooling rates for melt result in designated microstructure. Minimum wall thickness and minimum draft angles for die casting. This is the table to show minimum wall thickness and minimum draft angle for die casting. There is a material aluminum alloy. Minimum thickness for aluminum alloy is 0.9 mm and minimum draft angle for aluminum alloy is 0.5 mm. 0.5. The second material is zinc alloy. Minimum thickness for zinc alloy is 0.6 mm and minimum draft angle for zinc alloy is 0.25. For copper alloys, brass, minimum thickness for copper alloy is 1.25 mm and minimum draft angle for copper alloy is 0.7. Die casting materials. Zinc, the easiest alloy to cast, high ductility, high impact strength, easily plated, economical for small part, promotes long die life. Second is aluminum. Aluminum is lightweight, high dimensional stability for complex shapes and thin walls. Magnesium, the easiest alloy to machine, excellent strength to weight ratio, lightest alloy commonly die cast. Copper, high hardness, high corrosion resistance, highest mechanical properties of alloy die cast, excellent water resistance. Common aluminum alloy die casting summarized as follow. This is the table for common aluminum alloy for die casting. There is some advantages and disadvantages of die casting process. The advantages of die casting process is excellent dimensional accuracy, smooth cast surfaces, thinner walls can be cast. મીન્સ કે આપણે જે વોલ્સ હોય એ પતલી હોય તો બી તેને કાસ્ટ કરી શકીએ છીએ. અને ડિસએડવાન્ટેજીસ, ધેર ઇઝ સમ ડિસએડવાન્ટેજીસ ઓફ die casting process. Casting weight must be between 30 grams and 10 kg. Casting must be smaller than 600 mm. એટલે કે કાસ્ટિંગ જે હોવું એની થિકનેસ 600 mm થી ઓછી હોવી જોઈએ, મતલબ સ્મોલ હોવી જોઈએ. હાઈ ઇનિશિયલ કોસ્ટ, તેની ઇનિશિયલ કોસ્ટ જે હોય છે એ ખૂબ જ હાઈ હોય છે. લિમિટેડ ટુ હાઈ ફ્લુડિટી મેટલ્સ, અ certain amount of porosity is common. There is some disadvantages and advantages of die casting process. Thank you.